JBI let me ride his KTM 450 today. It had the KYB front forks in it at first. Honestly, it was hands down the nicest suspension setting I've ever ridden. It literally, every sharp, small bump, it literally rode straight across it. I was very, very impressed. I was shaved seconds off my lap time riding that bike, which was awesome to feel, and so much comfort and feel. I could put my front wheel wherever I wanted, which was awesome. And then we swapped the KYB out with the Showa. Is that correct?
WPs.
I swapped the KYB out with the WP. It was the exact same feeling as the Honda. Still a very, very good suspension setting, but the front end was definitely nowhere near as good as the KYB. So I took a lot out from today, and it was good to be out there and test it all out.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
All right.